up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in a building with yet another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we do poly reactions only. So for today we're going to be reacting to KDM on the track Call My Phone. It dropped recently. Pretty keen to check what it's about, what the hype is about and stuff like that. Been seeing on everyone's stories, trying to mute it at the same time. But before we get into this, I just want to promote some locals. So we have here Ilche. Please go check them out on Instagram and Facebook. They do have socials if you guys want to get some merch. They do have different colours as well, but you know, I love my red.
PolyMovement fams, please support our poly businesses. Let's help get them up there, eh? Yeah. Purchase it, buy it to give us a gift or whatever, but just support. Even if you're just going to share it, it helps. Sharing posts and stories helps. Even if you take a photo of yourself wearing it and just post it as well. But yeah fams, if you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do it by clicking on my logo over there or subscribe at the bottom. Don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos. As you all know, we've got the 6K giveaway coming up soon. This will be one of the businesses that will be supporting and using the merch as a giveaway. Yep. Just one of them. Yeah.
Bro, stop gay. But you're gonna sing it. Bro, nothing, bro. I'm actually stop. You better be changing your tone.
They got that same type beat that they use in their songs, eh?
Yeah, consistent.
And now she wanna call my phone. I said I'll be back later. Yeah, you better be changing your tone. You know I ain't gonna play up. Why you calling me? Why you calling? Girl, stop calling me. Why you calling, girl? A couple missed calls cause I'm sitting in the booth. I keep it on the low, you can say I'm like true. This ain't a fictional story, it's the truth. I can make it splash like Chris, call me smooth. She just tested me, but I ain't too blue. Mama see that I ain't bothered watching movie. Just a little more time till you get the LV. Cause you're still my main one like Gucci. Just let me tell you that I'm like that. I'm with the boys, but you know I'm coming right back. Of course, just don't do me dirty, I'm getting no flirty. You know I stay saucy for just call. I'm not looking for a new thing and that's true. I got the swag and that's something she's attached to. He's so nice that I could never ghost me. Cause I'm looking at the one. You see she got that brown skin. The type when she's smiling I'm feeling like I win. I always be catching her when she be glancing. She act like high class perfection with dancing. I could never switch up, no miss up, no hiccups. If you wanna call, I'm the Uber with the pickup. See I will never disappear, just like what a trick does on me. I will never get you stitched up. Cause you got the wrong one. I'm for the long one. So be patient, hold on for a little while. Don't come back when I'm on one. And now she wanna call my phone.
Man, this hook is pretty catchy. Yeah, I quite like it.
I said I'll be back later. Yeah, you better be changing your time. You know I ain't gonna play up. Why you calling me?
It's
that why you calling me part of it.
Dwayne, I remember one of the other videos that we reacted to. He has his own uniqueness about himself. Eh? This guy, I know they're all brothers. Yeah. Very unique.
Why you calling? Girl, stop calling me. Why you calling? I got a bad beat, I'm a Mercedes. But if she ever switches up, mama see ya. She don't care if I'm on the back or a beamer. She fell in love with my drip sauce and the main. But see, she a real one. And I gotta work for peace. I'll call you later, I'm just in the studio killing beats. You ain't gotta worry about the mother girls, cause it's guaranteed I'm with my J's making peace for the family. But it's crazy when we fight and you get mad, then you block me. But why you post some other guys on your story? Tyrone was on to know. Like what's the movement? What about your guy? I don't need no approval. If you wanna go out, do it on with fight then. I can do anything that I like. Just get a message back when I'm out here doing this. I gotta know why you playing the game. And now she wanna call my phone.
Man, I actually really like this hook when it comes in and then the beat's just makes it even better, but Yeah, some girls are playing up in this clip.
Yeah, it's true thing.
Yeah, when it started up, I had a feeling, I was like, okay, they're probably talking about a girl playing up. Or,
and they do.
Yeah.
Or like all sookies on Insta.
Or they post like, I'm crazy, but they like that. I'm like...
Dramas, eh? It's all you millennials now.
Oh, no, it's you. It's you people. I understand, mate.
I said I'll be back later. Yeah, you better be changing your time. You know I ain't gonna play. Why you calling me? Why you calling? Girl, stop calling me. Why you calling, girl? Why you calling me? Why you calling?
They play mind games, eh?
Stop calling me.
Definitely.
Why you calling, girl?
Men's chopped off the hair.
Yeah.
Dang. That was actually a vibe, eh? I actually quite liked it. So what do you think of it, Mum B?
I think in a way it's different to their last songs.
Yeah. I reckon this has got to be my favourite.
Yeah. It's not the rapping anymore. Yeah, it's more a song tone, a song flow to it. I don't know if that makes sense, but
What?
it's good. I like it because they're speaking the truth here. Reality. It's reality.
Facts, man.
I love the visuals.
Yeah, I love the visuals, yeah.
It's
nice and clear.
Yeah, nice and clear.
And I like how empty the background is. It's just them like when they're by the Ferris wheel and stuff like that. Yeah, I really like the track. Yeah, I felt like the why you call it?
Yeah, that was.
I felt like that was a bit like off, but then once you keep singing, I guess you get used to it. And you start like, it's like, I guess it's like syncopation. Hey, like it sounds off,
like
but
the first
it's
time
not
I,
off.
yeah, the first time I heard it, I was going, and then when he sang it again.
And again, yeah, it's like okay. Yeah, okay. I think it's syncopation.
Yeah. Synco what?
Syncopation. Syncopation. Something you learn in music, I guess.
I do music too.
Are you sure? Are you sure? But yeah, I really like this track, boys. I reckon this is gotta be like my favourite so far. Definitely a catchy song. You guys keep with that consistent hyped up vibe. I like that about you guys. Like nothing too like to expect. But if you guys did switch it up, it'll be like pretty good as well. And yeah, I like this. I like it. Keep it up, boys. I'm keen to see what you guys have dropping next. Yeah.
Good. I like the visuals.
Yeah, I really like the visuals of this. Yeah. They still kept that with that, you know, the camera follows the and
like
stuff,
the other
but it wasn't too overpowering. Like it was like, yeah, you could see bits where they're like awkward looking at each other, like waiting for someone to do the move. But it's still good, yeah. I like it. Anything else you want to say, Mum B?
That's it.
Yeah, I actually really like this. I'm gonna vibe this on my way to work now. Thank you to those that have requested for us to react to it. Appreciate it, heaps. Definitely happy with this track. If this is your first time hearing as well, thank you for reacting with us, and please go check the brother's song out.
Please, PolyMovement fans, follow KDM on the track on YouTube, subscribe and share the love, please.
I have the information to their track, channel link, song link, and their socials in my description box for you guys to just click, follow, and as Mum said, subscribe.
Yeah, they're part of the family in Brisbane, the full three.
Yeah.
So
some youngins up in Brisbane, but yeah, definitely on the come up. These guys are
it isn't
really
their
good.
first song too.
Yeah,
They've
it's not their first song,
so check it out.
Yeah,
share the love.
Hard up. But yeah, fams, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.